Greetings, it is Brother Man Trucking. Today I'm changing this oil feed line, oil feed tube, oil feed line. Comes off the turbo, goes down there, connects down there. So I ordered the new part off of eBay. It was 120 bucks, $125, something like that. So the new part, if I ordered it from Caterpillar or Truck Pro or somebody like that, it would have been $225. You still had to wait on it. And Peterbilt could have got it the same day, but then it got close to the weekend and I didn't feel like dealing with it, so I'm out here today dealing with that. So here's the new part. New part come in, it's right here, come down. It's identical to the old part. This is actually a new part number for Caterpillar for this engine. So the new design has an O-ring in here, so I want to pop that out and put that over here on this one. Then I'll plug everything back up. So where this was leaking, I believe, is, I hope you can see that. See where the discoloration is? Right here. Let me flip it around this way. So it was up here like this. It came down like that, as you can see in the previous videos. So you see where the discoloration is? That's where it was leaking from. I don't know if there's like a hairline crack in there somewhere, but that's where it was leaking from. The O-ring was fine. There's no issues with that. It wasn't leaking at the seal. So I'm going to put this new part on there and crank the engine up, and Yah willing, it's not leaking.